In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and edit your Wix website by adjusting image opacity using Wix's powerful tools on managewix.com and editor.wix.com. Whether you're new to Wix or looking for a refresher, these steps will guide you in creating a visually appealing website. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix dashboard. If you're not already familiar, this is where you can find all the tools you need to manage your site effectively. To start, open your browser and go to manage.wix.com. Log in with your account credentials, and once you're in, you will see your website's dashboard. The dashboard serves as the hub for all your website's settings and configurations. Here you can access different parts of your site, track its performance, and plan your next steps. Now let's move to the task of editing an image's opacity, a fantastic feature for adding depth and focus to your website. Head over to editor.wix.com. This tool allows you to customize the visual elements of your site. Within the editor, identify and click on the image whose opacity you want to adjust. This will open an editing pane to the right of the image where you can find various customization options. Once you've selected the image, look for the paintbrush icon in the toolbar. The paintbrush symbol is your gateway to editing elements like colors and opacity. Click on it to bring up additional options. Here, you'll find sliders for both opacity and color adjustments. The opacity slider will help you control how transparent or solid an image appears. Simply click on the slider and shift it left or right until you achieve your desired look. Remember, adjusting opacity can help create focus and readability of text over images, a crucial aspect of website design. After adjusting the opacity to your liking, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top right corner of the editor. Click Save to ensure your changes are not lost. One note of caution. Make it a habit to save your work frequently to avoid losing edits in case of any connectivity issues or unexpected errors. Finally, finish up by clicking Done to confirm and close the editing options. By doing this, you are ensuring that all changes have been correctly applied and implemented on your live website. Navigating back to your dashboard, you'll be able to preview the changes on your website, allowing you to see how the adjusted opacity works with the rest of your content. And there you have it, a quick and simple walkthrough for managing and editing images on your Wix website. With these tools and tips, you can enhance the visual appeal of your site and engage your audience more effectively. Whether you're tweaking a few images or redesigning your entire site, these steps will come in handy. Stay creative and have fun exploring the possibilities with Wix.